Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. Welcome to another video. This week's video comes in the form of a Daily Snaps episode, and it's going to be quite short, but I think that there's a lot of value in some of the things that I'm going to be sharing with you today. One of the things that I've been very curious about, but also at the same time, I felt a tremendous amount of resistance in trying, is zone focusing. And one of the reasons why I've been resistant to trying this is because I've never been a fan of everything in the picture being sharp. I've been very curious because it's a very fast method and it's very, very useful when traveling. And so I decided that I would give it a try. You know, there's a saying that says that smooth waters never made a skilled sailor. And so I decided that I would take myself to the Melrose district, that I would walk up and down Melrose Boulevard, throw myself into some turbulent waters and try zone focusing. And that's what today's episode is that practice session. I'm gonna go ahead and play this first segment. I hope that you enjoy it. Okay, so zone focusing. If you don't know what zone focusing is, I'm gonna explain it in a very general way. There's lots of videos and lots of articles online that you can search. So I'm just gonna break it down in a very, very simple way. Zone focusing is pretty much the method of creating a zone of focus. In other words, creating a range of distance, right? Where everything within that range, everything within that zone is acceptably sharp. And so the way that you determine how large that zone is or how narrow it is based off of the combination that you select on your lens between your aperture and your distance. So for example, on the X100, if I set the aperture to f8 and I set my distance to 7 feet, anything between 5 feet and 15 feet is going to be in focus. And that gives me 10 feet of leeway. So anyone that walks into that zone, I can take a picture, I can take multiple pictures if I'm walking, and they will be acceptably sharp. And this is something, like all things, that requires practice. Today, I have shared with you, and I'm sharing with you, my initial results. Most of the pictures that you're seeing today, I just wanted to see if I could get these people in focus as they were walking towards me. And so that is zone focusing. It's not something that I've always strived to do, but I do think that it's important for us to grow, for us to constantly put new tools in our toolbox of skills, in whatever craft we're doing, in whatever we do in life. I think that is the takeaway, and that's what I wanted to share. I'm going to go ahead and play this last segment, and have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you in next week's episode. Take care. Bye.